Okay, so today I'm probably going to be answering the most common question I've been receiving in my comments, and that is, should you be searching in the all or books department? So this is going to be a very, very important one for you guys, and you are not going to want to miss this because this is by far the question I've been receiving the most. Every video that I've been creating is, should I be searching in all or books? And now I want to give a more detailed explanation and just a video I can refer you guys back to, well, help you guys out, because it is important for keyword research to know which department you want to be selling in, and yeah, we're just going to dive straight into it. So if you haven't been here before, my name is Rory and I run this channel called Mr. Rosa. And before we get into anything, can I just ask you guys to hit that like and subscribe button, as it would be greatly appreciated. It doesn't take you half a second to do. Now, what department you are searching in can be quite important because, well, it gives different results. If you're familiar with searching in all or books department, you'll understand that it gives different results. And at first, yes, I will admit that I was searching in the wrong category, and I've been telling you guys in my earliest videos the category which I wouldn't recommend in searching. But anyway, I'm going to show you today the category I personally feel is the better one to be searching in. Other KDP YouTubers may disagree with me, and that's fine. If they can give me a viable explanation and reason as to why they should be searching a different one to me, then that's absolutely fine. This is just my opinion and what I prefer, and the reason I've been putting this video off is, well, I've just been trying to gather the appropriate information to, well, tell you guys the answers behind why they give different results and why I prefer to search in this category. And it's something that when you search around, you don't really get a definite answer for. But yeah, I just want to make this video to give you guys my opinion and what I feel you guys should be doing. So, let's just get into it. Now, we're in Amazon now. As you can see, we have two different Amazon pages open, and we're going to put in the exact same keyword. And for this video, we're going to be using geometric colouring book. And for this one, we're going to search in the all departments. And we're just going to click search. Now, as you can see, there is 954 results, and I have already made a video on the geometric colouring book niche because, well, 954 results is below that 1,000 results mark that we are looking to get into, so this is a good niche I would recommend if you guys get into, so I'll leave the link above there to go and check it out. And yeah, so we get 954 results when we search in the all departments. However, if we go onto the other Amazon tab, click from all, down to books, and searching the exact same keyword phrase, geometric colouring books. So as you guys can see, the exact same keyword phrase. However, when we search in books, there is over 7,000 results. And well, that is above our 1,000 results that we were looking for. So if we were looking in the books department, we would say, well, this isn't a niche to get into. So it's very important to gather which one to be getting into, because maybe if you're searching in books, it could be niches you could be getting into, that sort of thing. However, in all, it could be below that 1,000 mark. And now I did some digging, okay? And when I went into books, as you can see, 7,000 results. So there must be something different. And well, as you can see down here, there is 75 pages. And I was going through all the pages and stuff, and it will take me a while to go through every single one now. But what I found is that, well, when you search in the books department, what Amazon does, it will add every single sort of book together. So that includes the KDP books, the normal ones, the normal geometric colouring books. But what they'll also add is like the Kindle books. You know, if your Kindle, you can read those online books. Well, when you search in the books department, it will include those books. But the thing you've got to remember is, well, with a Kindle book, obviously geometric colouring books, they aren't viable, they aren't usable on those books. So when you're uploading them onto a Kindle, there's going to be no sales, because if it's a geometric colouring book, nobody would buy it because, well, you can't draw on your phone, you can't draw on a Kindle, and it also includes audio books. So that could just be audio books using that geometric colouring book keyword. And well, obviously, once again, they won't sell. You can't draw an audio book. It may just be they added that into their keywords just as a way to rank. It could just be talking about colouring books, an audio book about colouring books. But again, they aren't useful. It isn't the searches we're going to be looking for. Whereas when you're searching in the all departments, I think what Amazon does is, because it's searched over all, it only adds the viable ones, the ones that would mean anything, and the ones that have any value to them. So those could be ones that, well, have a ranking before. And, well, what I've found is that it will exclude the ones such as audiobooks, as they don't think that is something you would be wanting to buy when you're searching up geometric colouring book. The most common ones will be proper geometric colouring books. You won't want to be buying an audiobook, a Kindle book. However, there is something very, very interesting that I found out, and I think is a very important explanation to give to you guys as to why Amazon does this, why it will only say it has 954 results rather than, well, under the books category, 7,000 results. Now, if I go to the third page, well, as you can see, it says there is over 7,000 results. So this got me thinking, what is Amazon doing here? Are they lying to us? Are they lying to us with these results? What are they doing? I had a little think about it, and I've come to the conclusion, well, with the first few pages, with the first 2 pages, maybe they'll show that there's 954 results. They'll show you all the relevant ones to your search, all the ones you would be buying. But maybe with Amazon, if they think, well, you've got to the third page, you haven't clicked on what you want, you haven't found the product that you want, let's show you all the results, let's show you all the different results, because maybe it is you're looking for an audiobook, but you've put in the wrong keyword or something like that. So I think what Amazon is doing here is they'll give you the relevant results. They'll give you that relevant results of 954. Because I think if I go back to page 1 here, it'll show us again 954 results rather than that 7,000 which we saw earlier when we went to page 3. And those 954 results are the relevant ones. They'll only show you the ones that are selling because, well, if you think about it, I'm sure there is thousands and thousands of geometric colouring books. There's going to be millions of people out there, okay? Millions and millions that are creating KDP books, audiobooks, all that sort of thing. And that means, well, there'll be a few thousand looking at the geometric niche. But some of their books, well, they'll create stupid ones, they'll create ones that will not sell, and, well, if they won't sell, that means their ranking won't be relevant, and that means Amazon won't promote their books, and it means, well, basically, if you're not getting any sales, if over a few months you're not getting any sales, Amazon will just think, there's no point in publishing this, we'll just take it off, or we'll put it right to the back of the page. We'll put it on page, I think there are 75 pages in this, or 20 pages. We'll put it right on the 20th page because nobody will be buying this. However, maybe when you get to the third page, well, they'll just say, okay, maybe they are searching for a product that hasn't got that relevancy that we think for most people. Because, well, if you think the most common person, they'll be searching up geometric colouring book. They'll go onto the first page and click the one they think is that looks the best to them, the one that they find the most appealing, that sort of thing. And yet, of course, Amazon will say that that book is relevant. And then the reason I think when you search up books, well, there's no reason, because if it's not in the all departments, we're just going to list every single book that there is. We're just going to list all books that have anything to do with geometric colouring book, because it doesn't have anything to do with relevancy. They're just looking in the books department for a geometric colouring book. And yeah, so I may be completely wrong there, okay? I'm going to be honest, I may be completely wrong. And that third page trick I did actually find. I saw it on one of my dad's videos. If you don't know, my dad is Paul Miles, he's a YouTuber as well. I did see that in one of my dad's videos. I saw when he did the video on why you should be searching in all departments, I saw that when he clicked on the first page, it showed up all those results. So I will leave that link to that video up there if you want to go and have a look at that video. He has a very similar opinion to me. So yeah, that's what I feel is the reason behind the different number of results. And then the second reason why I think you should be searching in the all departments is, well, because when you go onto Amazon, okay, the chances of you clicking down, going down to one of these menus and clicking on electronics or Kindle store or something like that, chances of you doing that is very unlikely for the average person. They won't care about that. They won't care about the department. They'll just want to search up the product and click the one that comes up first or whatever like that. So what I believe is that if you're searching in the all departments and you're looking for keyword research, it's showing all the ones that are most relevant. I think those are more accurate readings, because with keyword research, obviously you're looking for what people are searching for. And well, if you're doing that in all departments, which is where most people will be searching, well, you'll be getting the accurate readings for what most people will be searching for. Yeah, that's just how I feel. I feel then you get more accurate results because you are obtaining the keywords from what most people will be searching for. And yeah, that's really just how I think about it. Like I said, other people may think differently, but yeah. So what I think really is when you search up all, I think the more accurate result reading is the ones when you search up all, because, well, those are going to be used with the most relevant books and the ones that Amazon will be basically putting up, because all the ones that aren't relevant or anything like that, Amazon will be taking off. And yeah, that's just the way I look at it. That's all the small little notes I have covered for today. I hope you found it interesting. I hope you got something from it. And once again, if you did enjoy, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, as it is greatly, greatly appreciated. And yeah, let me know down in the comments below how you feel about this. And I hope, well, this has explained it to you. And yes, my final answer, I would recommend you search in the all departments, because I believe you get more accurate readings, keyword research readings. And again, it shows more accurate results because it's showing the books that are relevant to when you're uploading your book. But the thing you've got to think is, when you first upload your book, Amazon will probably rank it highly on those first pages to see if it has potential to sell before they then, if it's not selling, they'll push it further down. And then if it is selling, keep it on that first page or whatever. So yeah, hope you enjoyed, and well, I hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.